Demystifying Drawn Out dive into English phrases. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, drawn out. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's dive in. Drawn out literally means to pull or stretch something out to a greater length or extent. Think of someone drawing a line or stretching an elastic band. Example 1. Pulling a piece of dough until it becomes long and thin is a drawn-out process. Example 2. A magician might have a drawn-out ribbon from his hat, which seems to keep coming without end. More often, drawn out is used in a figurative sense. It can mean 1. Something that is extended longer than necessary or usual. 2. Something that feels tedious because it's prolonged. Example 1. A meeting that takes much longer than it should can be described as drawn out. Example 2. If someone tells a story in a way that feels long and tedious, we might say the storytelling was drawn out. 1. It's often used with things like processes, events, or stories. 2. It carries a mildly negative connotation. Saying something is drawn out implies that it might be longer or more tedious than desired. 3. Can be paired with verbs like seem, feel, or become. 4. E.g., the movie seemed drawn out. 5. E.g., the lecture became quite drawn out. Let's do a quick exercise. Think of a situation where you felt something was taking longer than it should, and try to frame a sentence using drawn out. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And there you have it. The next time you come across a situation that feels a tad too long, you've got the perfect phrase to describe it. We hope this deep dive into drawn out has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!